eFootball has just revealed new epic legends, free rewards, major tactical changes, custom tournaments, and a hidden feature involving players with 3 special skills. Here is everything you need to know. First, the new Treasure Link campaign is coming. Every player who logs in will receive a treasure link containing rewards. There will be 3 types: basic, big winner, and special. By playing online matches, you can share treasure links with other users and collect chance deals for the new epic Treasure Link box. This box contains 250 players, including 5 epic legends with Rio Ferdinand already confirmed. Players will also receive a free epic Legends Assemble chance deal by logging in. Then, starting from August 6th, you can earn a selection contract that allows you to choose a player from the Legends Assemble list. The confirmed legends include Frank Rijkaard, Dennis Bergkamp, Marco Reus, Wayne Rooney, and Sergio Agüero. Rooney arrives with phenomenal finishing, willpower, and a shooting +3 booster. Agüero arrives as a legend for the first time, featuring blitz curler, low screamer, and a striker's instinct +3 booster. New legends will also receive unique special card designs, and one of the biggest hidden additions is players with 3 special skills, which could make the upcoming cards more powerful and unique than ever. Now let's move to version 6.0. The first major feature is custom tournaments. Players can create their own tournaments, customize the rules, and invite friends to compete. A new team playstyle called Overload is also coming. Overload moves several players toward the same side as the ball, creating more passing options in attack and a compact shape in defense. Players will also be able to use different formations when attacking and defending. New managers will arrive with 2 link-up plays, while others will specialize in the Overload playstyle. Gameplay is also changing. You will be able to perform stunning volleys when the ball is in mid-air, allowing for powerful volleys and bicycle kicks. The daily game will also be completely redesigned with new, quick, and exciting gameplay. And this is only the beginning. More version 6.0 features, players, managers, and campaign rewards will be revealed before the August update. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments.